Hello. Welcome everybody. Let's start the show. Ron, hey there. Hola. Rob the Scalper, good to see you again. Round number 2. Exactly. Gurkop, good to see you back. Larry, what's up? Robert Gallas, hey, good morning. Cobb88, what? Let's go, let's go. Good afternoon. You're back from the trip around the world. Nice. Hey, that's awesome. Good to have you on the stream all day. London and New York, baby. You know. Good morning, Joseph. Hey, welcome. All right, let's see what's happening. It seems like that we broke out from that miserable area. Look at this barcode here. Oh my gosh. It's terrible. Absolutely terrible. Now, anyway, I do believe that we have a good chance to actually get up to that 583. That's like a very nice supply zone up there on the hourly chart. So let's just wait and see. Hey Theo, good evening. Europe only. Well, you guys are traveling all around the place. That's what matters. So unfortunately, my gold position from earlier hit the stop loss, but the account still ended up in profit. So I'm not crying about it. So let's see what's gonna happen here. What's the risk to reward ratio on this one? I was just wondering if I can jump in with 1 or 2 micro. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. I'm kind of gonna wait for the first few minutes, and as we talked about it yesterday, I'm gonna look for a possible displacement as always. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and here we go. Market is open. Everybody get ready. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Okay, nothing special so far. I do believe that we have a chance to go up there to the 580s. No liquidity sweep so far. Except for now, maybe. Okay. This could be a possible push here. Is this the push maybe? Up to the 80s? I don't know. Kind of wondering. Yeah, anyway. I took a small long position here at 22. I want to see this going higher as ES is also pushing it. And just to make sure, for safety reasons, I'm going to put an alert on ES up there. So we should know if this one wants to, you know, once ES is reaching that level that we're looking for, we might have to be careful on the long positions on NQ. And that's it. Hey, MB, what up? Hey, good to see you. Jonathan, do you take full port in MyFundedTV? No, I don't want to do that. No. No, I don't think that would be a professional approach, especially not in MyFundedTV. I don't think so. But you know, who knows? Anyway, I took a small long position here. I'm going to give it some space. And we'll see what happens. Gold is still dropping down. I got to check this on the 1 hour chart. Yeah. What if this one wants to make a new low? In that case, I'm going to be focusing on NQ instead. So let me see the calendar here. Just a second. All right, so calendar, tier 1 news. Today is, okay, that's not important. Yeah, no trade on gold between 10:30 or at 10:30 and 10:30. Okay, 10. Okay, do not put on trades on gold at 10:28 and 10:32 at MyFundedFutures, just saying, you know. Okay. What else do we have? Ben, hey, good to see you. Have no fear, Ben is here. All right. So far, not much is happening. As I said, I'm looking for that 583. But if it's not going to happen, then it's not going to happen. Man, I don't like the risk reward ratio on this. Anyway. So I have a long position here. It's very bad. It's absolutely the worst entry I could get, but I'm gonna take some heat on this trade. It's fine by me. Actually, I don't even know, where is it? Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of a heat on this, I know, but I'm looking for 578. If you're asking me why 578, it's because actually 570, sorry, take it back. 570, what's the high here? 71. Okay, 570 on this. Man, okay, I'm gonna move my stop a little bit on this one. I didn't do my analysis correctly. Uh-oh. Let me do that again on the hourly. Okay, that's not important. 15 minutes. I'm looking for the fair value gap right before the order block. That should be enough. But if not, then maybe I'm going to add to the position. 571.25. Okay, on the micro. Okay. I think that's where we're going. All right, so here's the trade. How does your A+ setup look like? Well, not like this. That's for sure, but technically it is valid. Like the A+ setup starts with basically the 2022 ICT entry model, but in terms to have it working, I need a very good zone, like a supply zone, demand zone, you know. Basically need the liquidity sweep, displacement, fair value gap, and then jumping into the trade. Yeah, we have news. We have news. What kind of news? Hold on. Fed chairman. Oh, yeah, Powell. Powell is going to testify. But that's going to last for like at least 2 hours or something. Okay, NQ is unplugged. NQ is unplugged. Shenanigan, what's going on? How was your day so far? Man, I should have entered. With the bigger size here. Oh, man. That's what she said, right? Oh, that's what he said, actually. Great day. Awesome. Requested for 2 pay. Oh, nice. I hope it will be approved ASAP. Congratulations for that. That is awesome. That is awesome. All right. Let's wait and see what's it gonna be. Well, if you did everything right with the risk management, there should be no issue. So you should be okay. You should be all right. Okay. This is gonna be maybe a bit of a sideways action. Still no first fair value gap, right? At least we still have time. How is ES doing? Yeah, ES is pushing. All right. Let's wait for it. Harshit, hello. A long 5 micros from 420. Ah, nice. Okay, well, let's see what's gonna happen. 420, man. That's a nice entry. That and very good job on holding on to that trade. All right. Still just hovering here. Still just hovering here. The low-hanging fruit would be the 15-minute fair value gap at 571. But so far, this one is having some trouble. There could be a sweep lower, so get prepared. 1 hour time frame. Nice. Good job. Yeah, let's just wait and see. Got the same trade? Well, the problem is my entry is very bad. So my entry originally should have been somewhere around this area. I mean, this was the fair value gap, obviously. And so I should have entered somewhere there. I missed my entry at least 10 points. So 23 crate. Okay, do you think so? Maybe it will. Who knows? Not looking good right now. All right. Bit of a trouble here. Maybe everybody's just waiting for that news release. Maybe it could be a sell-off then. This was the market open. Oh my gosh, it could be a sell-off. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. You added? Careful with the adding there. Yeah, doing the same as yesterday. I don't know. Kind of interesting. 15-minute range, yeah, and that is just gonna go sideways. Maybe everybody's waiting for Powell, but I don't think that he's gonna say anything much different than yesterday. So yesterday he was basically just blow down, blow. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Maybe it will go up. Oh man. Uh-oh. It's not looking good, man. Not looking good. I thought that we're just gonna go straight up. Obviously, I don't want to hold it if it wants to sweep the lows there. This is not something I'm looking into. Yeah, it's just gonna sweep this. Not good. Not good at all. Yeah. It is what it is. What can we do, right? Well, anyway, let's just wait of what's gonna happen after this move. That's why we have stop losses. That's why we have a stop loss. Okay, so now we swept the open at 490. I would be very, very curious. I would have had my original stop down there, even if I would have entered here. But now this thing is just going crazy. And we still have plenty of time until Powell starts to speak. That's what she said. Yeah, that was a very strong. I feel like that this is just a liquidity sweep, but obviously, if it goes lower, so be it. I just don't see the level actually that I'm looking for, because sell side, this one has been swept. So I'm not sure if I want to jump on the bandwagon for a short. I think I'm just gonna sit at the sidelines, because so far I don't like what I see. Could be a bit of a waterfall situation happening. But we'll see. We'll see what Papa Powell is going to offer to the market. Oh man, the more I'm looking at this, the more confused I am. I want to see this one still go higher. So if this could be considered as a sweep, I guess we have to wait for the new hour. And if there is some kind of a continuation higher, then I will jump back in. Yeah, exactly. I'm waiting as well. Maybe I will, because I feel like we could pick up some momentum here as we're approaching that 571. But I'm just gonna wait. I am just gonna wait. Because this, I don't know. I'm not sure I like what I see. I need to see some kind of a continuation to even consider to enter again. Which I like to, by the way. I would love to enter again. This might be it. What do you guys think? Could be a shift to the upside here. Let's see how this 1 minute candle will close. I re-enter to the trade. Still targeting 571. Actually, my TP is 68.75. And same position. Unfortunately, now I'm just trying to get out from the hole, which is not a good situation. If we get closer to 71, I might try to add more and try to scalp it to, for example, like to the 70s. So my final TP is for 69.75. If it goes up, I might add to it and try to scalp a little bit as it goes higher. 500. On 500 now. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is getting more interesting, right? Okay. Let's wait. It's almost time. Almost time. Still have more than 1 minute to go. I have my plan. And we'll see what the next hour is going to bring. I do have a stop loss here, but I'm going to be watching this closely. If I have to, I might intervene manually. Gonna be interesting, that's for sure. Quick check on ES. Okay, I like it. Yes, looks good. This news, it's not in the calendar, so you can. I mean, as far as I know from the rules, this is not in the upcoming news calendar, so you can hold this. But be careful with gold. There's going to be gold news at 10:30. So not that one. But this one is okay because it's like a hearing. Actually, Funded Futures Network is not letting you to trade this news event on the funded accounts. MyFunded Futures, I checked the calendar. There's no sign of this, so I consider it okay. It's a bit dangerous. That's why I'm not adding to this. It's just another $100 position. Don't really like it, but we'll see how it goes. Let me check if Powell is live already or not. I think he is live. Trump is speaking. Oh my God. Oh, at NATO. Yeah, I know. Oh. No, there's no speech right now. Trump is speaking right now, right? Is he live? Yeah. Unannounced red folder. Ah, it's not looking good, man. Trade is getting closer to my stop, so I think I'm not going to push this too hard. I should stop. Not good. Not good. I was pretty much, you know, in the mood that this should be continuing higher. My analysis so far is definitely not correct. Yeah, I think so, Maverick. Yeah, it just keeps going higher. This market just likes to go higher. It just loves to go higher. That's what it does. Yeah, I have to accept this loss again. And yeah, step to the sidelines here a little bit. It's just not something. Almost hit my stop there. One more push and it's just gonna hit it. Yeah. What can we do? I have really no idea how I'm still in the trade, but I'm almost hit my stop right there. It's unfortunate. Yeah, hey Trader Joe, what's up? Pure technical. If you well, I wish I could say that, Lansang. Yeah, I wish. I don't know. Added 5 more. Man, don't add to it. I'm not adding to this actually. I'm not adding to this position, that's for sure. I'm only going to add if it would go up there for a scalp. That's where I would add to it, because then I would be much more confident that it's gonna hit that level, but now I'm not. Total 15. Oh my gosh. I'm not adding because I think this position is going to the dumpster. Unfortunately, we have days like this. We cannot win them all. And I have to think twice on my next move here. You're sending a mail. You caught them red-handed. Finally, you have proof. You have to check on your quant hour as well. You know, if you have different commission on your dashboard and in your quant hour, then there's definitely an issue on their end. You're using their quant hour. Okay. But why are you using their quant hour? Interesting. But you also have to look at the rhythmic data. You know, how many contracts have you opened? What is rhythmic showing for, you know, net P&L and all that such. Hey, Elisa, hey, good to see you. How are you? Very choppy. I was hoping that we will move higher finally. Stop. Excuse for them. I'm not. No, I know excuse for them. Obviously, if they are taking away extra money on commission, that's not good. That's never good. That's why I said if you can take screenshots for them to send it, that is something that needs to be checked. Some institute is buying and Trump is talking. What about Powell? Is he talking? Okay, I'll check it. Yeah, I see you sent it. Okay, so 2 mini. Okay. I see fee is 356 there. Total commission 22. Hold on. Is this the only position that you took? No, sorry, this is 2 micro. So you're short 2 micros on this picture. Which shows 3.56 US dollar, and on your dashboard it shows 22.22. Yeah. How is that? Interesting. Your current profit is still at 0. Yet your commission, consistency is at 1%. I think there's something, some kind of a glitch on their dashboard, which is not updating. So the account balance has not changed. The current profit is not changed, but maybe you have still an open position. And you know, total commission 22.22. I don't know. That maybe that's putting it there. Maybe it's an open position still, right? That's why. Maybe because it's still open. Is it still open or did you close it? I don't think they're scammers at this point, Trader Joe. I don't think so. We have to confirm this. I think it's because you still have open positions, and that's why the dashboard is having that on. I think. But, you know, maybe if you close the positions and then, you know, look at how much was the P&L and then the commission, maybe it's going to take like maybe not 1 minute, but like 5 to 10 minutes to update. Then we will see more. Unfortunately, this trade is out the dumpster. But that's not proof, Trader Joe. I'm sorry, but that is not enough proof for them, because I would like to send it to them and they would say, because I would really want to send it to them, but they would say that, okay, but that's because you have an open position. And the dashboard is not updating until the position is not closed, I think. But it's my opinion, sorry. But that's why we need to look at, after close down the position, how much is your P&L and how much is your commission on the dashboard. It should be the same that it shows, because it shows the correct amount, like 3.56 USD, and yeah, net P&L is negative $44 on that current position, which was maybe still open, and that's why the dashboard was thinking that it's still down. All right, Trader Joe. I don't think they are scammers. I think you're overlooking something. That's the issue, I think. I think you're overlooking at things. You're not counting the dashboard. I think it's counting the open positions. And after the update, you need to check the numbers together. So, all right. We have been sweeping that low, and I'm still wondering what's it gonna do. We swept this level here, this one. So what could go wrong here? It can still go lower, of course. Previous day high could act as support, but I'm just gonna wait and sit on the sidelines for now, and let's just see what's gonna happen. No, it's not a problem. You're still short? Oh, wow. Okay. You switch to shorts. I'm not jumping into shorts at this point, because I don't have a level that I like. So I'm just gonna wait out this one and see what's gonna happen. Maybe Powell is doing something. Who knows? I'm not even following his hearing right now. What could be the next possible level down here? There is one more level down here, which I like on the 5-minute. Like, for example, this. Hold on. This one. Open position, open 426. I'm gonna put the high of this here, 426. Low 414.25. I'm not sure. Are we going back down to that range? That would be kind of a interesting situation for sure. No fair value gap on the 1-minute. There is one that could be possible to have. I mean, this is a market structure shift, and it's a nice one. Both levels here and here. So if it leaves this gap, it could be a good one for later. Oh, 30-second. Dude, I'm not even watching that. 30-second would be, oh my, that would be too much. Okay, so still some time until, okay, now it's repricing the gap. So let's wait and see how it's gonna go. Okay, there's a push here. Let's wait. As usual. Let's wait for it. Let's see, what else do we have? We had a sweep. There is no fair value gap on the 5. I'm not going to do anything with this. I don't really like that level down there. ES swept the lows. Okay. I was listening into the Trump speech, but that doesn't really matter. I think he's answering to the journalists. And so far, I don't see anything else. Okay, let's wait. What I'm looking for is maybe something like this with a fair value gap somewhere along the way. maybe even higher, who knows. So this is something I'm looking for. Otherwise, not really interested. Actually, I'm gonna check this zone once again. On the downside here, the open of this is the open of this candle is 26. All right. Let's see, 26. All right. Okay. Order block 5 minute bearish order block. All right. Still nothing. Definitely not the best start of the session. But what can we do, right? Okay. Maybe this is what it's gonna be until the PM session again. I'm not even sure how long the hearings are gonna go. Man, all this sideways action. All this sideways action again. So far, everything is pretty much just stop right here. And even on gold, oh, I don't see a pattern here that really looks good. Okay, that's nothing. Still kind of liking that level up there. But we cannot take a trade on gold, at least not yet. The NQ slowly going down. Every time this one makes a new low, it feels like it wants to go down for that 5-minute order block, but but no. No. No, no, no. No. I just don't I don't fall for that. But it is interesting. What a market. Open is 445. Oops. 445, 25. Let's just put this here. I'm still kind of looking. This one is a bullish accumulation phase, but depends on how Powell is going to answer for those questions. Yeah, we can. T-Pain. Yeah. This price action is not for us, but we can sure push the like. Thank you. Yeah. We can sure push it. Let's do it, everyone. Oh my, look at that. It's basically an ICT setup here. It's an ICT long entry. Is this really possible? That this could be an ICT long entry setup here? Kind of interesting. So we have another level at 45, 44. Interesting price action. Again, the 5-minute, the 15-minute, not really the one I'm looking for. And though we had some 5-minute gaps here that the price just swept, I'm not sure it's enough for the turnaround to the upside, but how is ES doing? ES pretty much swept these levels. So why not just pushing it higher? Okay. Entered one more time. 488.25. We'll see. 488.25, and I don't know if I'm doing this. If I should have done this. But I think I'm now, this is the moment I think I'm over trading. I should have stopped, but who knows. Definitely don't like the price action. And although, yeah, we see these nice little spikes, but I still don't like it. Hey, Fraxy, congratulations. Clean W's. Awesome, man. Well, it seems like today is not my day in W's for now. I mean, we had a good session in London, somewhat good, because ended up in a small green, but now, just somehow it's not happening. The miracle is not happening. But hey, good job. My charts look awful. Oh man, this is so boring. Come on. That's what you said and how you encouraged me, so I can only. Frexy, thank you so much for the kind words. I really do. I appreciate that. Man, that feels good. Thank you so much, Frexy. I really that definitely makes my day. Man, I like that. Thank you. But it's at the end, it's only you. You're the one. Compared to the stock, and it's because Tesla is the weak link in the chain. Should highs if we get further, to get capitulation sell off go long. Oh my god. I'm not forcing you, man. But whenever you can use that. You can. uh maybe I should be sending you a t-shirt that says Tom is my stepdad. That would be hilarious. We should do some merch. Tom is my stepdad. Oh man. Oh, what a day. But not that. All right. I was actually looking for some merch. There are some online web shops that are helping out influencers, streamers, not just from trading, from every category, to create shirts, hoodies, baseball caps, all that stuff. Obviously with drop shipping. Eligible to be stepdad. Yeah, I like that. Eligible to be stepdad. I like that. We had some ideas. I still have it written down. Oh no. This trade is just not. It's just not doing what it should. Really strong. So our semis. Oh, we should test the highs again before the dump. Yeah. Somehow, like, if I'm looking at a big picture and I'm watching the higher time frame charts, I do feel like we should push for a new high sooner or later. But even Apple is strong. Futures only up 80. Well, whatever it's gonna do, it's just definitely a crazy situation here. Oh man. Do you think this is a trap for longs? I don't think it's a trap for longs for now, at least. It doesn't look like it, but it does look like a bear flaggish thingy. I'd like to think that, you know, if price does like this, maybe, but sooner or later we should be doing that. That's what I'd like to think. Like we could see some choppiness. Oh man. Kind of curious how far this is gonna go. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. That is it. All right. Well, let's see how this is gonna go. Okay, repricing a 1 minute gap here. I don't really like that. I hope that it can still push higher. I think maybe everybody waits for some kind of a drop, which can happen. It looks like a nice bear flag-ish thing. Oh no, man. It's going down. I don't like this. I think it's because Trump has stopped, already done the speech, right? Oh man. This is gonna take a while, I think. Uh-huh. Yeah, the whole situation here is just ugly. Very, very weird. Very. I mean, I'm not surprised on the move, but man, this is just so bad, so bad price action. Well, it's all basically because of the hearing, I guess. I just don't like this price action. Anyway, I'm not gonna enter any more trades. So, guys, I think I'm gonna get a break because I just hate this price action. I'm already down 2 stop losses. This is gonna be my 3rd one if it's gonna drop. So, I think I'm just gonna call it here and get ready. I have some extremely good topics here for My Funded TV today. So, I hope to see you guys there if you'd like to join. I'll be there in about 30-something minutes. So, see you guys there. And I'll be back for tomorrow, London and New York too. Today, so far for me, is a crappy session, this New York session. But anyway, we're going to have a good talk in My Funded TV. You're down 1K. Yeah, definitely have to. How to set up OnlyFans page. That's going to be our topic for tomorrow's London session. All right, everybody. If you would like to support the channel, please use my code. MyFundedFutures has awesome sale going on. Take Profit Trader 2. Check out Apex, Bulenox, DAYTRADERS, Funded Futures Network. We love Funded Futures Network. And so on and so forth. All right. I'm sorry, guys, if this was just a chill, not too much energy stream, but I kind of lost the traction right now on this price action. All right, so I'll be at My Funded TV soon. Hope to see you there. If not, then I'll be on tomorrow the same times. All right, God bless you, everybody. Cheers.